I want to share with you today one of almost the first tools that I purchased when I was knitting and still make a lot of use of. That is an interchangeable needle set. So there are lots of different kinds of interchangeable needle sets. Some of them comes in enormous ranges of sizes, others have limited sizes. You get different cord lengths and you get different tip sizes. Sometimes the tips might be acrylic, other times they're bamboo, other times they're metal, but they all work in the same way. You can take the tips off and attach them to the cords. So let's take a look at what's in this set now. So for this set, it comes with a very handy little needle gauge, which means that if at any point the actual needle sizes are getting worn off, you can check with this. On one side, you've got your millimeters, and the others it's US. So make sure that you're using the right size and don't get confused with that. Then in addition to this, you've got a couple of tools in the pouch back here. This one are joiners, so that if you want to extend a needle length and you don't want to buy a new one, you can use these to attach different needle lengths together. These are little grippy things that will be your friend, where you wrap one of those around and it allows you to twist the needle on and off more easily. So once we take a look at the back here, this is where you're going to see all of the different sizes that you've got for your cords. So you've got 16 inches or 40 centimeters, 24 inches, 60 centimeters, and on this one there's 32 and 40 inches. So there's 4 different sizes. And now for the final bit, this little strap is to keep all of those needles in place. And you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different sizes. It comes from this little one here, which, let me see, 2.75, and it's going to come up to a 5mm size. So that allows you to pick the right size that you need. Here we've got bamboo needles it's the same kind of set, but this one is bamboo, and this is how they work. You just twist the end off like this, and then you can twist it on. Making sure if you've got bamboo that you twist on the metal part rather than the bamboo. That's where the grip comes in. So you can use the grip to hold this so that it doesn't slip in your hand. Or if you don't have the grip, something like a T-pin, you can put into this hole over here, and then that will hold it still so you can tighten that up. So that's the basic way that you can use them. Just pick the right size. You want to use a cord length if you're actually joining in the round that's a little bit smaller than the project size you want, so that you're not stretching the stitches. But outside that, there's no real limitations to how you can use them. You can use them flat, back and forth in rows. So even if you're not knitting something in the round, you can still use circular interchangeable needles. So have fun with them, pick your favorite size, and remember you can always start with the small size and then add needle tips and cords to it as you want to expand, particularly as you have extra projects that you need to store them on.